Get ready to be amazed by coconut oil. This video is your complete guide to good health and happiness. Hello, coconut lovers and people who are just interested. Today, let's explore the delicious world of coconut oil and learn about all the wonderful things it can do for you. If you're into health and fitness or just want to spice up your daily life, coconut oil could become your new best friend. The wonderful coconut oil. Imagine beaches with no people on them, waving palm trees, and the sweet smell of coconuts in the air. Oh, what a lovely scene! But did you know that coconut oil is good for you in many ways besides making you feel good? First, let's talk about what it's made of. Medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, which are found in large amounts in coconut oil, are healthy fats that are known to speed up the metabolism and give you more energy. It's also full of antimicrobial and antioxidant chemicals, which makes it a powerhouse for improving health in general. Uses for coconut oil in health. Now let's get down to business and look at some cool ways you can use coconut oil every day. 1. Morning magic. Add a splash of coconut oil to your coffee in the morning to get your day going. If you're a coffee or tea lover, adding a teaspoon of coconut oil can make your drink creamier and give it a hint of tropical flavor. Plus, it will give you long-lasting energy to keep you going on your adventures. 2. Culinary Delights. Add a little coconut oil to your food to make it taste better. With its lovely smell and mild sweetness, this oil can make any food taste better, from sautéing vegetables to baking sweet treats. Plus, it's better for you than regular food oils, so you can enjoy it without feeling bad. 3. Beauty Bliss. When you have coconut oil on hand, who needs a fancy skincare routine? If you have dry skin, put some coconut oil on it to make it feel better. It doesn't feel heavy on your skin and moisturizes and feeds it deeply, leaving it soft and glowing all day. For an extra pampering moment, use it to take off your makeup or as lip balm. 4. Hair Care Hero. Love your hair with coconut oil to make it look as lush as a tropical island. Put a lot of coconut oil on your head and hair, and let it work its magic for a few hours, or overnight. The next morning, your hair will look shiny and healthy, and people will be jealous. 5. How to improve your oral health. Did you know that coconut oil is great for your teeth? As a traditional Ayurvedic practice, oil pulling involves swishing coconut oil around in your mouth for a few minutes to clean it out and make your breath smell better. It's an easy way to keep your teeth clean and white. There you have it. Coconut oil, the tropical liquid that can be used for many things and is good for you. Coconut oil can be used to feed your body, do something nice for your skin, or make food taste better. Accept the benefits of coconut oil and start your path to health and happiness. It's a tropical treat you won't want to miss. Here's to adventures with coconut water and a life full of health and happiness. Enjoy your time off until we meet again. Coconut sparkles. Is coconut oil good for everyone? There are many health benefits to coconut oil, and most people can safely use it in moderation. However, it may not be right for everyone, especially in some situations. It's important to remember the following. Allergies. People who are allergic to coconuts should stay away from coconut oil completely to avoid bad effects. For people with sensitive skin, coconut oil can clog pores because it is comedogenic. This is especially true for people with oily or acne-prone skin. Before using coconut oil all over, especially on the face, you should always do a patch test on a small part of skin. Notes on diet. Coconut oil has a lot of saturated fats, mostly medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs. Some people may need to reduce the amount of saturated fats they eat because of health problems like heart disease or high cholesterol. In this situation, it's best to talk to a medical worker. Digestive sensitivities. Some people may have digestive problems like diarrhea or stomach upset after eating a lot of coconut oil. It's best to start with small amounts and slowly raise them to see how much you can handle. Interactions with medications. Some medicines or health conditions may not work well with coconut oil. For instance, people who take medicines that thin the blood should be careful when eating coconut oil because it may make them more likely to bleed. Before adding coconut oil to your diet, you should definitely talk to your doctor, especially if you already have health problems or are on medicine. Goals for weight management. The MCTs in coconut oil may help you lose weight, but it's important to watch how many calories you eat overall when you add coconut oil to your diet. If you don't watch what you eat and get enough exercise, eating too much of any high-calorie food, including coconut oil, can make you gain weight. Coconut oil is generally safe for most people and has many health benefits. However, it's important to think about things like allergies, skin sensitivities, dietary needs, and how it might mix with medications or medical conditions. Getting personalized advice from a doctor or registered dietitian can help you decide if coconut oil is good for you and how to best work it into your daily life. What are some ways that coconut oil is used for health and beauty? There are many natural ways to use coconut oil, and it can be used for both beauty and health reasons. In each group, it can be used in this way. Beauty products. First, use coconut oil as a moisturizer. It deeply hydrates the face and can be used as a natural moisturizer. It works especially well on dry spots like feet, elbows, and knees. Just put a little coconut oil on clean skin and rub it in slowly until it's absorbed. 2. Makeup remover. Coconut oil is a great, easy way to get rid of makeup. Put a little on a cotton pad and gently wipe off your face makeup. This includes waterproof mascara and eyeliner that won't come off. 3. Lip balm. Because it moisturizes and protects, coconut oil is a great natural choice for lip balm. Just put a little on dry or cracked lips to make them soft and hydrated right away. 4. Hair conditioner. Coconut oil can be used to repair and hydrate hair deeply. Put a lot of coconut oil on your wet hair, focusing on the ends. Let it sit for at least 30 minutes before shampooing as normal. 5. Body scrub. To make a DIY body scrub, mix coconut oil with natural exfoliants like salt or sugar. The dead skin cells are gently scrubbed off, and the skin is left soft and moisturized. Concerning health. Oil pulling. Swishing oil around in your mouth to improve oral health is an old Ayurvedic technique called oil pulling. Every day, swishing coconut oil around in your mouth for 10 to 20 minutes can help get rid of germs, plaque, and bad breath. Cooking oil. Coconut oil is a famous cooking oil that has a unique flavor and a high smoke point. It gives food a mild tropical smell and taste and can be used for sautéing, frying, baking, and roasting. Weight management. The medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, in coconut oil have been shown to speed up the metabolism and make you feel full, which may help you control your weight if you eat it in moderation as part of a healthy diet. Skin conditions. Because it is anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial, coconut oil may help ease the signs of skin conditions like eczema, psoriasis, and dermatitis. Putting coconut oil on the area can help soothe discomfort and speed up the healing process. Heart health. Coconut oil has a lot of saturated fats, but some study shows that the MCTs in it may be neutral, or even good for heart health if eaten in moderation as part of a healthy diet. Basically, coconut oil is good for your skin, hair, teeth, and general health. So it can be a useful addition to both your beauty and health routines. When using coconut oil or any other natural remedy, it's important to be careful and talk to a doctor if you have any concerns or underlying health problems. Thank you for joining us on Herbalist channel today. We hope you found this video informative and inspiring on your journey toward better health and well-being. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos on herbal remedies, health tips, and nutritious recipes. Remember, nature has provided us with incredible healing properties through plants, and we're here to explore them together. Until next time, stay healthy, stay happy, and stay tuned to Herbalist channel. Take care.